Tesla screen's installed. Still got the, still waiting on this to come in, so I got a little EQ bouncing. That's gonna be dope. So, this is the PX6 model with the fast boot, Android 9. Just gonna show y'all from start how long it takes to boot up. Oh, this is all Sergey's custom firmware. You can purchase that for $100. Right now with the war going on, he has no way of accepting payment, but luckily I bought it from him right before the war. So that's with the Tesla screen installed and the fast boot on the Android 9 version. This is just how I have mine set up. All my steering wheel controls work fine, perfectly. Oh yeah, I got mine set up to go to my radio. It goes straight to Spotify. I mean, I don't know what's on. Oh shit. Forgot I was booming yesterday. A little bit. But, see, I got mine set to hide. So you got your Navi. You got all the apps. You know what I'm saying? Runs off your hotspot on your phone. Runs off. Right now I think I'm connected to the Wi-Fi at the house. But y'all don't need to see where I live. But it's got everything. I mean, if I want YouTube right there. See, and it hides the buttons too. That's what I like, the way I got mine set up. You don't have to have it like this, but the options are endless with this. So basically, I mean, you know, whatever you want to get to. So yeah, that's basically it right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can easily, you know, change right here from the steering wheel control. Volume up and down, fixed. A lot of these units, when you get them, it's flipped upside down. You gotta do all kind of stuff with Sergey's firmware. You ain't gotta do none of that. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else you want. You know what I'm saying? Camera still works. Everything's good. But anyway, there's the PS6 installed. Boom. Yes, sir. Once that EQ gets up here, it's gonna look nice. Oh, I swapped out my 3.5 inch up here and all my door speakers too. So yeah, with the new leather in the console. Got my phone charger right here. Like, ain't too many more upgrades I'm gonna do to her. You know what I mean? Just in case y'all was wondering, in the back I got two JL Audio W612s, and with that new radio, they bump way better than that Bose shit. You heard me.